Hey crew, today's video will be a lemon poke cake. And here are the ingredients we'll be using. We have Cool Whip, we have lemons, we have cream cheese, we have eggs, we have 1 lemon supreme box cake mix, and we have instant lemon pudding. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. And if you're new to the channel and seeing this, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Let's get into our lemon poke cake video. Alright, so we're going to jump into our lemon poke cake. And this is a box cake, but we're going to amplify it a little bit, just a tidbit. We're going to do a little change into it. So as y'all know, the box says, 3 eggs, half cup vegetable oil, and 1 cup of water. So we're going to go in with 3 eggs. Half a cup of vegetable oil. Alright, so we have 1 lemon, and we're going to add some lemon zest to our lemon cake. And make sure you don't get the white part, because it will be bitter. Alright, so we have our lemon zest. Now it requires 1 cup of water. But we're gonna go half and half. Half lemon juice and half water. Alright, so we have our mixture here. So now we're gonna give it a mix. I'm telling y'all, you can smell the lemon cake from the actual cake mix, but that lemon zest, hit different. Like, yeah, that lemon zest smells too good off in there. So we have our pan that we're gonna pour our cake into, and we're gonna spray it with Baker's Joy. All right, so we got our Baker's Joy in our pan. We're just simply gonna put the cake in there. So we're gonna put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 21 to 26 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. So we have our lemon cake out the oven. I baked it for 26 minutes. I'm giving y'all a famous close-up. I'm gonna allow this to completely cool off. Then we'll move on to the next step for our lemon poke cake. So we allow our lemon cake to cool off, so it's good and cool. So we're gonna poke some holes in our cake, because don't forget, it's our lemon poke cake. Y'all can tell it's like moisture just from all this on the spoon, the end of the spoon. It may look a hot mess now, but hey, you ain't gonna see all that. So we're gonna move along to the next step. We have the holes poked in our lemon cake. We have 2 boxes of instant lemon pudding. And each box requires 2 cups of cold milk. So we're gonna go in with 4 cups of milk. Okay, crew, so we have our lemon pudding mix, and we have the holes in our cake, so we're about to start pouring this over the cake. So we're gonna put this in the refrigerator and allow it to chill at least 1 hour. Then we'll finish with our lemon poke cake. Alright crew, so for the icing for our lemon poke cake, we're gonna use 1 block of cream cheese, and we're gonna smooth this and cream it out. Then we're gonna go in with 1 cup of powdered sugar, and as y'all see, I'm slowly adding it in while I'm mixing. Then after I do the 1 cup of powdered sugar, we're gonna go in with 1 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip, and we're gonna fold that in. Then we're gonna put it on top of the cake. So we're gonna put our cream cheese icing on top of our lemon poke cake. Then we're gonna put it back in the refrigerator for a couple hours to allow the icing to set. Okay crew, so we had our cake in the refrigerator so our icing can chill and kind of harden up a little bit. So this is what it look like, and we're gonna try to do we just gonna do something. We just gonna decorate it any kind of way we feel like it. So we're gonna try to get a little cute and sexy with it. It ain't gonna be sexy, but y'all know what I mean. So I have some lemon pudding that's left over, so we're gonna see how this works out. And this cake will have to stay in the refrigerator, y'all. Yeah, so we have our pudding on top. We're gonna take a little bit of our lemon zest. A little lemon zest. So we got a little bit of lemon zest on there. Down that little pudding. All right, so we got it a little cute. It's a little sexy. I'm gonna give y'all a famous close up. Alright y'all, so we're gonna cut into this lemon poke cake. I don't know what it look like on the inside, but hey, however it look, it's gonna be an 8. Why you laughing?
I'm wondering what else you would think it'll look like. It's not gonna be red on the inside.
It may be pink. You never know.
Smell good.
Just that all that lemon zest. And I juiced it up a little bit instead of just the regular lemon mix cake.
I guess I'll see what you did when you do the video. I mean, when I watch the video, huh?
Now, trying to get it out. Whoop, whoop. Walk, walk.
Yeah.
Hey. Alright, y'all, so we got my baby here. She about to give this lemon poke cake a try and give y'all her honest opinion. Because, you know, she don't tell lies when it comes down to food. If it's nasty, it's nasty. So go ahead, baby. Give y'all the first bite. Ooh.
Okay. Moist, lemony, creamy. It's not sweet. Like, you know, it's not like sweet. It's refreshing. That's the word I'm looking for. What's this on top?
It's cream cheese with whipped cream.
That's good.
Powdered sugar.
That's good.
Getting that lemon zest.
That's good.
You taste the essential oils of that lemon. Alright, y'all. Baby going in. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment on the video. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. That will be notified when I upload a video. Y'all already know the saying. Pops out. Peace.